Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to another video. And today we're going to be talking about products from LUDOS. Now, a few months ago, they did actually send out to me a few of their really nice earbuds, which I've been using ever since. And before that, I was using the wired Apple earbuds before. They actually sent these over before. These are called the CLAMOR series, and they come in this drawstring like bag, and all you have to do is pull out the earbuds from the bag, and it's a tangle free set of earbuds, so they untangle really quick. Look, they're already untangled in less than a second. But I've been using these ever since they sent these out. And what's also really exclusive about these is that they offer these really comfortable foam tips. So without any more talking, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about their newest product that they did actually reach out and ask me to review. So I'm gonna do an honest review. Really enjoyed the first set a lot, and let me just see what comes inside of here. We get like an invoice. So they actually sent these other ones out to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and try my best and to give you my honest opinion on the LUDOS Ultra. So these are the Ultras, guys. Before I was reviewing the Claymores in the past, so I kind of want to compare them a little bit to each other. So they sent out the red and they did send out the blue color. So what I want to go ahead and do is actually take a look at them right now. So what's really cool is that all you need is a headphone jack on your smartphone, and you could use these really easily and conveniently. They block out a lot of the noise that I have around me, and they offer a really good sound quality. And they come in with this nice bag as well. It's a mesh bag, so they give you a wide variety of options. You could carry it either in this bag exclusively, or they give you this this kind of like a, if anybody remembers the mints that came in a case like this, leave it down in the comment section down below. I think it's either Altoids, I'm not even sure, but this is the case that it comes in, so you can actually carry it in these, and it comes in this really nice packaging. Now the really cool part about these ones is they have magnets, so that's actually really nice, because when you're using these ones, guys, they give you magnets that my other ones were missing that feature. So let me just show you what I mean right here. So these actually come with the magnets on the earbuds, guys, but these ones actually do not have that feature. So that's the main difference about the Claymore versus the Ultra. So you can see on the Claymore I do have volume controls, up and down, pause and play, everything like that. So I think that it's really cool that they're offering you the option to pause, play, skip songs here as well. And even you may be even able to change volume on here, but I have to go back in. So we're gonna test all of that right now and compare all the feature sets to both, and kind of discover which one is the clear advantage. But already I do like the fact that these ones have that magnet, which is going to be really nice. So you just take off the tape, and I never used the extra ear tips that they give, because the ones that they come with offer foam. These are the ones you want. Silicone ones they've just stayed in the box ever since. Let me just give you an example of what I mean. So yeah, that fits perfect. You could even hook it on the ear to give it a nice snug fit right there. And I could already hear the sound around me going away. I can't hear my neighbors talking in their yard anymore. It just blocked out my neighbors from talk. I can't hear them anymore. So let me take these out. Yeah, it just got much louder. So these have nice passive noise cancellation, guys, and then they automatically clip. You saw that? Let me just compare the volumes as well one more time, so you can see that there's just different. This one has a slider, and this one is more of a you could feel the buttons, and they stand out really well, and you're able to distinguish the buttons as well. I could also see that the microphone is right here where the buttons are. Off. Pop that off. I like this slider. It doesn't show you the music changing on the screen when you're sliding the volume, but you can hear it. You turn it up all the way up on your phone and you get a longer range of. The slider doesn't offer the whole range of volume. It only offers you like 1, 2, 3, 4. Whereas if you click it on the phone, you're getting a longer range of volume. So I would probably just use the slider if you were just someone was like talking to you real quick and you had to turn the volume down real fast. Then you would use this. Now let's see if we can change the songs or anything like that. So we get pause and play. And if I double tap the button, I could switch the song. Okay, what if I hold the button? 1, 2, 3. And then you get your Google Assistant when you hold it. What's the weather like right now? 94 degrees. Bass is crazy. I can't even hear myself talking right now. And then the volume slider is really convenient because I could slide it down at the touch of a button real quick and then turn it back up. So now I can't hear myself no more. Then I just turned it down. Now I can hear myself. Testing out some earphones and I just wanted to make sure they had a microphone in them. Yeah, I'm indoors. You can hear me clear, loud and clear. All right, thanks, Bob. You gotta actually like get a little bit of pressure on this one. Okay, there we go. So you can see this one's all blue with the case, and then you get the blue earbuds on these ones. So it's the same design, just a different color. And I really do like the volume slider on these, and you can change songs by double tapping this, and you can switch songs. So I'm not sure if you can go back. I haven't really tried to do that, but other than that, these are really fire. The volume on these for bass is really nice, and you could barely hear anything when they're on, which I do like because you're able to block everything out around you. So these would be good for that, and then you could put them in this case, which is really compact and really nice to carry. So if you stayed this long, then leave a comment down below and put hashtag LUDOS CLAMOR or LUDOS Ultra, and I'll shout out to you guys one more time for staying this far in the video. But I definitely use these every day, so I'm pretty happy that they have an updated version which actually gives you volume slider control, which is different, and then you got the microphones on them as well, which is really cool as well. So I'll check you guys out on the next video, but in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending on where you guys are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.